In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your task descriptions with Atlassian Intelligence AI in Jira. To get started, open Jira and navigate to the Projects section from there. Open the project where your task is located. Once you are inside the project, go ahead and open the specific task you want to work on. This is the issue or work item where you want to make the description clearer, more detailed, and more useful for your team. After the task is open, click into the description field. This is where you can begin writing the basic idea of what the task is about. You don't need to write a perfect description from the start. In fact, the whole purpose of using Atlassian Intelligence here is to help you expand a short, simple sentence into something more complete and polished. So type a small sentence that briefly explains the task. Once you've entered that short sentence, look for the AI option, or the Improve Description icon near the description area. Click it to let Atlassian Intelligence analyze what you wrote. After a moment, you will see that the AI generates a more detailed version of your original sentence. This can save time and make your task descriptions much easier for teammates to understand, especially when you want to add clarity without manually writing everything yourself. At this stage, review the generated description carefully. The AI is helping you create a fuller explanation, but it's always a good idea to make sure the final wording still matches the exact intent of your task. A clear description can improve communication, reduce confusion, and make it easier for everyone involved to know what needs to be done. If you want to refine the result even more, go back to the Improve Description option and click the down arrow. This will show you additional enhancement choices from here. You can click Add Polish to make the writing sound more refined and professional. You can also choose Make Shorter if you want a more concise version, which is helpful when you only need a quick and direct summary. If you need more detail instead, click Make Longer to expand the description further and provide additional context. These built-in AI options give you a simple way to adjust the tone and length of your task description depending on your needs. It's a fast and practical feature for creating better documentation right inside Jira. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.